Good day. Welcome to our how-to series. In today's module, we are looking at how to connect our PCC software to the various fire panels supplied by Kidde Commercial. So the first thing you would do is create a new project. So I'll go project, new, and I'm going to give this a name as demo. Double click on the project and you've got an empty slate with 64 panel options. So the first panel I'm going to add will be our Excellence panel, which is a touch screen. So it's part of the 2X range, and it's a 2X-AT F1 for a 1 loop or F2 for a 2 loop. So I will choose this one. The second panel I'm going to add is our normal 2X panel. So you'll see the color sort of changes. So it's a 2X AF1 as in a 1 loop, AF2 for a 2 loop. So we'll choose AF1. The third panel I'm going to add will be my old Zyton panel, which is the blue one. So you'll see even the color of the icon has changed. And I can choose ZP2 F1 or AF1 is the new white one. And so I'm going to choose, this is a 2-loop panel, so I'll choose the ZP2 F2 panel. Okay. So the next thing would be, how are we going to connect to the panel? So this touchscreen one, I've already got on the network. So I'm going to go down to communication. I'm going to click on TCP/IP. I'm going to click on remote. And then I'm going to put in the IP address of the panel. I've already configured this panel as 10.10.50.21. Normally, the panel comes with 192.168.104.140. So obviously I've changed mine to 10.10.50.21. I then can click on connect and it will try to connect to the panel. So straight away it's come up with an error saying panel type in configuration is a 1 loop, but the panel found is actually a 2 loop. So I need to go back to my configuration. So click back on the panel and then change it panel type to a 2. So it's an AT for touchscreen and it's a F2. I can go back to communication. I can go connect, and this time I haven't got any errors. I can then receive from the panel, and it will grab the configuration from the panel. You'll see in this case the version running on the panel is 5.3.2, so you need to have the version correct, and this one has actually got a pack which we use to connect a building management system. I'll pause it.